In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix any sound issues with your Philips television. So whether you're getting low volume on your TV or you're just not experiencing any sound whatsoever, then I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. Now, what you need to do is just grab your television remote, and all of the steps that I'm about to show you can be done within the television settings. So what we need to do is press the home button on your remote, which is this one located here. This will bring up the Philips home screen, and then we're going to scroll up using the directional arrow key and scroll across and select settings. Come down inside of this settings tab, and we need to come all the way across to the right and then come down to all settings. From here, scroll down and head inside of sound, come across to sound style, and I'd recommend having this set to either personal mode or original. Then come down to TV placement and just select whether you have your television placed on a TV stand or if you have it mounted on a wall. Then come down to the advanced section, come up to auto volume and make sure you have this switched off. Come down to audio out, and this is where you need to select where you want the sound playing out from. So if you have an external speaker, then you can go ahead and select HDMI sound system or select your speakers from here. If you're just using your standard default television speakers, then go ahead and select TV speakers. And then finally, we can come back out of this menu and you can check to see if that's now working. If you are still getting some kind of sound issues, the last thing we can do is come down to general settings, come across and scroll down once again and select factory settings, click on OK, and this is going to reset all of your picture and sound settings. So just go ahead and press OK, and that should have now fixed any sound issues that you were experiencing. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.